The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 352, effective until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Iowa: Adair, Adams, Appanoose, Audubon, Blackhawk, Boone, Bremer, Butler, Calhoun, Carroll, Cass, Cerro Gordo, Clark, Dallas, Decatur, Emmett, Franklin, Greene, Grundy, Guthrie, Hamilton, Hancock, Hardin, Humboldt, Jasper, Kossuth, Lucas, Madison, Mahaska, Marion, Marshall, Monroe, Palo Alto, Pocahontas, Polk, Poweshiek, Ringgold, Sac, Story, Tama, Taylor, Union, Lapello, Warren, Wayne, Webster, Winnebago, Worth, and Wright. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 352 has been issued until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Iowa: Adair, Adams, Appanoose, Audubon, Blackhawk, Boone, Bremer, Butler, Calhoun, Carroll, Cass, Cerro Gordo, Clark, Dallas, Decatur, Emmett, Franklin, Greene, Grundy, Guthrie, Hamilton, Hancock, Hardin, Humboldt, Jasper, Kossuth, Lucas, Madison, Mahaska, Marion, Marshall, Monroe, Palo Alto, Pocahontas, Polk, Poweshiek, Ringgold, Sac, Story, Tama, Taylor, Union, Lapello, Warren, Wayne, Webster, Winnebago, Worth, and Wright. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marion County in south-central Iowa until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 2 miles north of Knoxville and moving north-northeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Pella, Knoxville, Pleasantville, Melcher, Dallas, Bussey, Harvey, Hamilton, Swan, and Marysville. Severe thunderstorms produced damaging winds, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where the water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Marion, Iowa. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jasper County in central Iowa until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles south-southwest of the Newton Municipal Airport and moving north-northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Newton, Colfax, Monroe, Prairie City, Baxter, Sully, Kellogg, Linville, Mingo, Lambs Grove, Oakland Acres, Reesner, and Valeria. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Jasper, Iowa. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for northern Marshall County in central Iowa, southern Grundy County in east central Iowa, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 2 miles south-southwest of Conrad and moving north at 65 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Marshalltown, Grundy Center, Rhinebeck, State Center, Dyke, Conrad, Melbourne, Wellsburg, Gilman, Albion, Rhodes, Listcombe, and Holland. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Iowa: Grundy and Marshall. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for eastern Butler County and east central Iowa until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located over New Hartford, or 9 miles east of Parkersburg, and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Parkersburg, Clarksville, Shell Rock, Applington, Allison, Dumont, New Hartford, Bristow, and Airedale. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Butler, Iowa. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for western Bremer County in eastern Iowa until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a large tornado was located 4 miles west of Janesville and moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Waverly, Denver, Tripoli, Redland, Plainfield, and Frederica. To repeat, a large tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Bremer, Iowa. tornado emergency for the cities of Waterloo and Cedar Falls. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for Black Hawk County in east central Iowa until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Cedar Falls, or 7 miles northwest of Waterloo, and moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for Waterloo and Cedar Falls. Take cover now. Locations impacted include Waterloo, Cedar Falls, Evansdale, LaPorte City, Hudson, Elk Run Heights, Dunkerton, Raymond, and Gilbertville. This tornado has already caused massive damage in Cedar Falls. On its current path, this tornado will directly impact Waterloo within the next 15 to 20 minutes. Do not delay, seek shelter now. If no underground shelter is available, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Mobile homes and vehicles should be abandoned for more substantial shelter. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Black Hawk, Iowa. Tornado emergency for the central portion of the Des Moines metropolitan area, including the city of West Des Moines. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for eastern Dallas County in central Iowa, southwestern Polk County in central Iowa, northeastern Warren County in central Iowa, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large, violent and extremely dangerous tornado was located near West Des Moines, or 7 miles southwest of Des Moines, and was nearly stationary. This is a tornado emergency for the central portion of the Des Moines metropolitan area, including the city of West Des Moines. Take cover now. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: Emergency Management confirmed tornado. The following impacts are expected. This is a life-threatening situation. You could be killed, if not underground, or in a tornado shelter. Complete destruction of entire neighborhoods is likely. Many well-built homes and businesses will be completely swept from their foundations. Debris will block most roadways. Mass devastation is highly likely, making the area unrecognizable to survivors. This tornado has already caused catastrophic damage and massive loss of life in West Des Moines. This tornado is expected to impact the following locations, but not limited to Urbandale, Johnston, Clive, Indianola, Altoona, and Waukee. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Iowa: Dallas, Polk, and Warren. The following message is transmitted at the request of Emergency Management in the following counties: Black Hawk, Dallas, Polk, and Warren. Damage from tornadoes have ravaged the cities of Waterloo and West Des Moines. The tornado that struck West Des Moines was an EF5, and the one that struck Waterloo was an EF4. Extreme damage has been inflicted on the two cities. While the city of Des Moines seems to have been spared, a tornado watch remains in effect until 11:30 p.m. local time. Stay tuned to this channel for further updates.